Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, today MJ Fun TV. Currently trending on all social media platforms is the news of Davido's first baby mama, Sophia Momodu, warning Nigerians to stay away from her life. According to her, she is not going to keep quiet anymore because Nigerians are still dragging her over 6 years and she's not going to keep calm this 2022. According to most Nigerians on social media, Sophia Momodu is too desperate and she wants to be with Davido by force.
If I don't speak for myself, because nobody's speaking for me, and if I don't speak for myself, she's going to grow up to see how her mother was bashed for no reason. And then she will ask me, why didn't I say anything about it? But you saw what they said, but you saw what they did. Why didn't you say anything about it? It's been 6 years of bashing me non-stop. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a very emotional person. So you might see me shed a few tears. I'm fine. Don't worry about me. I've just had enough. That's just it, you know? Even when I'm laughing, I shed tears. So it's not new. I'm just very upset. I've been nothing but gracious. I've been nothing but sweet. When I buy stuff for my daughter's sister, you guys bash me. When I show her love, you guys bash me. I don't get it anymore. What do you people want?
She went ahead to post more write-up on Instagram. You people should tell this blogger that the only way to reach me is through love. Any other way is a waste of time. She posted more write-up on her Instagram and she was really upset. Nobody wanted to make this girl ticket possible. I fought and insisted. And what I get on return is one dirty blogger spewing lies and fake gist. Nah, enough is enough. 2022, you are not dragging me for free anymore. I just want to be left alone to live my life, mind my business and enjoy. I will never take out anything of yours drama out on the kids. They are innocent, leave me alone. It's been 6 years of bashing Sophia. Enough is enough. 2022, I will not be silent. I made sure that my daughter and her sister saw each other after 2 years of nothing but love. I do not regret it and I will never let you people's hate affect the kids. According to Sophia Momodu, she is not even going to stop. She also went ahead to say, you don't have to be such a hateful, bitter blog. That's so last year. Do better, madam. You are a woman, if anything. Enough of the fake news and lies. What's with this hate? Sophia Train, you are not tired. It's now a drag at this point. Sophia Momodu is not the cause of your proposed problem. Leave me alone. Sophia Momodu went ahead to post videos of herself and Davido having a good time together, and her daughter and her stepdaughter also having a good time together. According to her, that's all that matters.
My baby.
Mommy.
Are you happy to be in Ghana? Yeah.
Mommy, why is she not your daughter?
She's my daughter.
But that's for her mom.
That's her mom, and I'm her mom too.
She has two.
She has two mommy. You're happy? Yay. Wow, 2 bottles in how many minutes? 2 minutes. No, what?
To long life, prosperity, more money, love, happiness, peace, and joy. More classics.
Haley, show me yourself. Haley, show me yourself. Where are you? Where are you on the bed? Is that you?
No, this one is.
Is it yes?
He's so cute.
Haley, that's you? Oh, shy Haley.
I think this is me.
Nah, that's
Is
Haley.
that me?
No. This is you.
I know. Yeah, that's you right there.
Oh.
I have Daddy, I love you. Daddy, I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy, I love you.
Oh, yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Why do you have a cool beard?
My shit lit, baby.
So guys, according to the video, you just saw Davido's first daughter asking her mother why she wasn't the one that gave birth to her half-sister Haley, and this was actually the root of all the problem. This was what made Nigerians to start reacting on all social media platforms. According to this comment, Sophia is too desperate, and this is just the first comment. More comments, very desperate. That is why Davido will never respect her. And more comments from fans. Now wow, she will be 40 years in 3 years and she's still turning after a small boy, all because of money. More comments. How that girl is the most matured of all. Never. You don't know Chioma. They are also dragging Chioma into this matter. She's the most matured. She kept on upgrading herself, referring to Chioma. The respect Davido will give to Chioma, he will never give Sophia. Allow her to spit rubbish. According to them, Davido is going to respect Chioma more than Sophia Momodu. She is the first lover, leave her alone. Yes, Chioma is so matured. Sophia has been throwing shades long when David and Chioma were cool. She pretended to be nice by forming friendship and forcing friendship on second baby mama to get to Chioma. Since all this, her desperate attention from Davido, Chioma is so calm with no indirect talks. Yes, she gave him a very intelligent child. Very desperate. Chioma did the same when she is with Davido, sending her friends to fight Sophia. More comments from fans. That's not true. She's always with Davido, traveling every country with him, both publicly and privately, using Ahmed as a bait. Even Ahmed had to be withdrawn from school because of her inconsistency with coming to school. Well, more comments from fans. Whatever thing you are doing in life, say no to desperation. And don't be desperate at old age. It irritates. Where is your self-worth? Take care of your heart because it's too bitter. She is not desperate. She have everything needed in life. She need not marriage to be happy. Well, most of her fans are really battling each other on social media according to the comments you are seeing on the screen. Most of them are fighting each other, bringing Chioma into the topic. According to most of the fans, Chioma is reserved and she's not forcing anything with Davido. And that is why Davido will respect her more than Sophia. While Sophia keep forcing herself on Davido, using their daughter as an excuse, to the extent that their daughter had to be withdrawn from school because of inconsistency and too much traveling and not being available to be in school. Well, this is getting serious as more social media fans on Twitter, Instagram, and everywhere are really coming out to drag Sophia Momodu. And this was actually what made her to post that video earlier today, warning Nigerians to stay off her business. Well, Nigerians seems not to be listening to Sophia Momodu as they are still dragging her on all social media platforms, telling her to try to imitate Chioma and at least live her life without trying to force Davido on herself. According to them, she'll be 40 years old in 3 years' time as she's currently 37 and she's too big to be dragging Davido around like that. More fans comment, all I know is that Sophia is a great mother. There is nothing as great as teaching your child on how to love her half-sister or brother. This is a new year, darling. Celebrate good things so your year will be blessed. If she's being desperate according to you, leave her alone. That's what makes her happy. Focus on your life, my dear. You are full of hate. More response to the commenter. You are the problem of the society. Violence, somebody. See wrinkle over Sophia's face and she doesn't have, wow, a relationship. More comments from this guy saying Sophia doesn't have a relationship at age 37 rather, and she doesn't have time anymore. Rather, she's still following the video up and down instead of focusing on her life. According to them, she's too desperate. In summary, this is just what is trending on social media, and most of them are asking the reason Sophia Momodu posted those videos she posted, and she posted it for us to see because, according to this writer, does it mean she don't have serious relationship yet, or boo, still they knack her? Well, most of them are still insinuating that she and Davido are having intimacy and that is the reason she's not really in any relationship. At the moment, she's still all over Davido, even when Davido is not interested in her. According to her fans and Davido's fans, they are telling Sophia Momodu to wisen up, stay away a bit, or rather give Davido some breathing space, or rather respect herself, according to all the comments you just saw. That is what is currently trending on social media that is making Sophia Momodu really upset to post most of this write-up you guys are seeing. Sophia is playing too hard to be obvious woman. This woman self. Wow. So guys, this is just what is trending on social media, and you can go back and read more comments on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. This is getting out of hand. More response from Sophia as she's warning Nigerians. As Nigerians are not listening, she's still warning them and keep posting. According to Sophia Momodu, she won't keep quiet this year and she will not let anything slide. And anybody that comes for her, she's going to respond to that person and also fight that person with everything she has got. And this year, she's fighting and doing all this because of her daughter. And she does not want Nigerians or the media to keep spreading lies about her. All because she wants her daughter's happiness and she wants her daughter to relate with the siblings and the father, and that's all that matters to her. And Nigerians should stop spreading lies against her. I don't know what you guys think about this trending information or gist, but drop whatever you think about this on the comment section. See you on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, like this video, and stay connected to us. Bye bye.
Wow, 2 bottles in how many minutes?
2 minutes.
No, what? Soup, long life, prosperity, more money, love, happiness, peace, and joy. More classics. Haley, show me yourself. Haley, show me yourself. Where are you?
Where are you on the bed?
Is that you?
No, this one is.
She said yes.
He's so cute. Haley, that's you? Oh, shy Haley.
I think this is me.
Nah, that's
Is
Haley.
that me?
No.
This is you.
I know. Yeah, that's you right there. Oh.
I have a. Daddy, I love you. Daddy, I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy, I love you.
Oh, yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Why do you have a cool beard?
My shit lit, baby.
Thank you so much for watching this video. For daily entertainment, news, and celebrity good and bad updates, and all you need to know that's happening in the country, don't forget to hit this red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to always stay connected to us. One love and God bless you all. Don't forget to thumbs up to this video and comment down below what you think about this.